It's Ft.Gynel Entertainment.
Yeah, me say right now I feel I do.
Goodness. Oh,
we miss you, guys.
Oh, I want to join you, guys.
You come
Please, relax. I would like to start from this place.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh!
Because you know this place, I'm very short. And you know, when I get inside, it will follow me. Come in there.
Okay. You're waiting. Take it easy.
Oh, I'm already taking my easy. Oh my goodness, I love
Hurry up. Wait, I'm coming.
Are you sure you are coming?
Yeah. But you know how to swim?
Unfortunately, it's taking me deep.
Do you know how to swim?
Small.
Small?
Yes.
So do you know the inch of that place?
Everything is a
Beautiful.
Oh, nice. You good in swimming, right? Oh, nice.
Katrin, can you come and help me?
I need a bucket.
I should come and help you, right?
Yes, I need a bucket so that I can fetch it and keep it onto myself.
Wait, baby girl, take it easy.
Go there. Go there and swim it very well. I haven't hired a home. Baby, I have to say,
Me want kafla.
For the movie. I want your pen. It's a whole couple.
Hi, baby. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Join us.
Joining you.
You can join us. Join us.
Oh, hello, you can join us. Yeah.
Are you a boy or?
Oh my God! So bring him inside.
Oh, join us inside, my dear.
Oh my goodness. Join us, baby. Come.
When you want?
It's like, how do you see?
What that one?
When you can say,
I want to know.
You can join us.
I'm joining.
Let's go.
Because of guests.
Yes, because of me too.
What you here?
What's that be? You are no it. Thank you, darling.
And you pay for me too. I like the stuff. Oh,
Sorry.
Wow, you've done well. You actually came into the pool.
Yeah, I came because of a guest.
Yeah, nice.
Some girls.
Yes.
I do for you, man.
You know, some guests are dangerous.
But why are you going? Do you know how to swim?
But
You already know how to swim.
okay, then shut down the who's the one that know? And I'm saying, the baby.
Who's the best gym with the money? Oh, that's broke.
Who done my life about? The first say. That's right.
Yes.
Who done my life about?
Oh, yes.
What ya? Hey, what do I feel like to start?
Wait.
Hey.
Mun
What's your okay?
Okay.
Let me you. Me see for me.
How do I? You say what ya?
They can't put Hey.
You use what ya, sister? About your, me na me try. See it, I can.
Yes.
Come
close.
Ghana for now.
Give me a white.
Ghana for now. I'm going to lose no. I want to do this.
Yes.
Eh, me na.
Who's that?
See ya.
Who's that?
Why were you shouting?
Is he get mine?
Hey, yo!
Yeah.
You're welcome into the pool fight.
Yeah, you are celebrating.
Yeah, so this is the pool party. We are having a pool party.
So how do you feel the atmosphere of the river?
It's very beautiful of the pool.
Thank you.
Please, can you take it easy? Oh, yeah.
Who goes to the pool? Who is
Oh, yeah.
I don't like that. Go to the guest.
Yeah. The bed is beautiful.
Bravo is
What is that? Relax. Okay, so you say, what do you do?
I'm doing first of course I'm
First of what?
first of course
First of course, okay.
I'm doing who's saying you're ready for?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just wanted to join us.
Yeah, just-
So what's your name again?
My name is Divas.
Divas. Okay.
So
So you really know how to swim? Yes. Okay.
We are listening.
So we are listening. You are givers, right?
Yeah, Divas.
Okay. So where do you stay?
And your name?
I'm a Kusiachin, please.
I'm a people.
I mean, you're funny, mister. Please take it easy. You don't know how to swim.
I can make this go.
We're trying next to flag. What do you mean, flag is a camera?
What's running now?
I don't want to show that now.
I can make you.
Who are they? Yeah. So
You know, I'm short, so I can't do this.
okay, so listen. Tell us more about yourself. Yes.
Myself, I'm sportsman. Sports person.
Okay, so that's why you love swimming, right?
I love swimming. Swimming, I mean that's just like what's
Okay, so